What's something people don't know about unlocking their Samsung? It's way easier than it sounds if you know the steps. Let's break it down together. First things first, back up everything. Unlocking your bootloader will wipe your device, so save your photos, apps, and contacts. Got your backup? Great. Next, unlock the bootloader. This usually means turning on developer options, enabling OEM unlock, and maybe connecting to your PC for a quick command. Don't worry, you can always find your device's exact steps online. Now, grab the Samsung USB drivers and install them on your PC. Download the correct TWRP image for your model from the official site, and get Odin, the tool that flashes TWRP. Let's flash. Boot your phone into download mode, usually volume down and power. Plug into your PC, open Odin, hit AP and select your TWRP file. Click Start and wait. Almost done. Once Odin says you're good, unplug your phone and power it off. Now reboot while holding volume up and power. Hello TWRP recovery. Remember, double check your model number, follow each step, and always back up. For questions, the community is your friend.